My interior has been quite rough for quite a while, and it'd be really good to redo it. And also I have no choice because I flooded it and it won't dry out. It's been wet for 2 months, and I don't enjoy being in a vehicle full of rust and mold, so I'm going to pull it all out and do it all again. And I am pumped. I really can't be bothered doing this. I should probably try harder not to round them. I want to give you a quick rundown on what my plans are right now. I rattled a leak. Wait, that comes off. I'm going to take everything out except for the dash. I think that would be a whole project on its own. Look at the difference in this clean carpet and then this flooded carpet over here. I'm going to get the inside of the vehicle and the carpet nice and clean and put that all back in. I want a nice and clean and tidy bed frame and a shelf above the front seats. It's actually still soaking. This side looks pretty good actually. I'm happy with that. This side, not great. It's a little bit crusty and there's a big pool of water in the corner. I'd like to be able to lie in bed and watch movies on a TV, so I need some sort of 12-volt system to power everything up. I'm also going to need a fridge for food because I like food. As I get ready to take out all this wooden framework, I notice that all my wiring and stuff is attached to it. But that should probably all get ripped out anyway because it's real messy and I did a terrible job. What a mess. You'd think I'd be able to do a better job than that. Oh, that's heavy. Anyone need a spoon? In the back of my mind I'm wondering, is this gonna fit? But we're really trying to get it out. It's not fitting. What can we do to get that to fit?
Is this top glued on?
Yep.
Blooming pliers starting to delaminate. Yeah.
Alright, let's try that.
There you go. Yeah, I got the big bit.
Cool, it's looking pretty empty, so I'm just going to spend the rest of the evening ripping all the carpet out. This is effectively the last big piece that I've got to remove out of here before I can clean it up and start redoing it new and better. How about this? Aha. The last piece. Well, it's pretty much all cleared out and clean almost. Now I can get a fresh start and rebuild the interior exactly how I want it. I'm going to make it really good, but not too good because I want to use it. I need it done fast. I've waited till summertime to get started. Well, I've waited till pretty much summertime to get started, and now that it's summer I'm ready to use it, so I don't have time to be mucking around too much, but it's probably still going to be pretty good. So anyway, that's it for now. I'm going to rip into rebuilding this and you'll be able to see it next week. Moment of truth. Does it work?